Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export a note as a PDF. So you go to the upper right corner and click, and about halfway down there's an export option. You just left click on that, and you have to change the format to PDF if you want to export as PDF. I mean, and then there are options to include everything or not the files or images, so it's just like clean for printing. And you can change the page format so it'll be easier to print once you've saved as PDF. So you can also include subpages and create folders. This is more relevant for if you're exporting as HTML and Markdown because it will preserve your folder structure. It's a little bit less relevant for PDF. Hope this helps. Thank you.